Hey viewers, what's up? This is Mohammed Sajidz and you're watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can go to live with your Instagram account. So there have a lot of way, but here there have some problem for you to go. I'll also show you some effects by which you can also make your live more impressive. So without making any late, let's start this video with me. Before starting, there are a request. If you're not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, if you want to go to live with your Instagram account, first of all you need to update your Instagram. Go to the Google Play Store, and from here go to the Instagram, search it, and then you need to update your Instagram. After that you need to open your Instagram here. Now right here, after that, here from you can click on this to go to live with your this account. You can see that I'm here right now. So from here we can create our own text also too if you want, but here it's for your story purpose. But if you want to go to live with your Instagram, then go to this live, and from here you can select your live location options. From here too there are a lot of options for you to make some effects for your Instagram going to live this effect. And now if you click on this, that time it will be connected with you. So here this is the thing, and here you can also add some more effects for you to go to live with yourself in by your Instagram. There are a lot of effects are there, you can also add those. So I hope by this now you can also add yourself in a live. And here there have not only you can add go to live, but here you can also add some effects here. So if you want to add those effects like these, so here from you can also add a media from here, and here we are there, you can see that. So here from I hope this will be effective for you. So from here if you want to add a title, so click on this three bow, and from here you can add your own title here, whatever you want. Now click on this add new title. So now if you click this, and it will take you in this checking your in video with this. And here from now you can share it with this IGTV or download video. From here you can, if you want to download this live video, you can also download it and delete this video if you want, so you can also delete it. So yeah guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you, that about this Instagram live going to live here. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you. I hope you all also understand and enjoy this. And guys, if you enjoy those, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.